test. The Suzuki Fronx is powered by a 1.5 liter inline 4. This is a mild hybrid. This bright work here on the dash just elevates the appeal of the interior. I'm still surprised with the steering. There's actually a good amount of feedback to it. Hey guys, here we have the all-new Suzuki Fronx, and today we're going to be doing a POV test drive. But before that, go ahead and check out the exterior and interior first. I have the key here with me. It is a small Suzuki key. You have your lock and unlock. Check out the exterior. You can see a bold new front fascia, but it still looks like a Suzuki. You have this slim DRLs that also doubles as your turn signals. You get LED headlights down below. As you move towards the side, you can see a muscular design to it, and this two-tone paint just helps elevate the appeal of the car. You get this nice swage line here, and this is the rear view of the car. You have short overhangs, and it honestly looks very premium together with this rear skid plate. Check out the boot space. This is the cargo space that you get for the Fronx. You get 60/40 rear folding seats, and for underfloor storage you get a spare tire, full size. Close it up. Check out the back seats. Now this is set to my driving position. I have tons of legroom. There's a hump here in the middle, so footroom may be limited. And if you close the door, still nice and solid, though the door cards up top are hard plastic, but the armrests are in a soft touch material. Headroom, I have about this much. Rear amenities include this rear air vent and 2 charging ports. There's also a small cubby here, so you can place your phone there when you're charging. There's no center armrest. And this is the dash of the Suzuki Fronx, and we'll get into that as we move towards the front. Okay. For the doors, you get a cubby hole here for your bottle and whatnot. Let's close the door. Solid door sounding. To start the car, just have the key inside the vehicle. Put your foot on the brake and hit the start-stop button. There's a notification sound upon startup, and the heads-up display will also pop out. Fasten your seatbelt. To turn on the air conditioning, there are physical controls here. So this toggle right here is for the fan speed. This one is for the temperature. It is also automatic, single zone. And you get this floating style infotainment touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So to put the car in gear, there's a traditional gear selector with manual shifting via the paddle shifters on the steering wheel. There's also a traditional handbrake. The Suzuki Fronx is powered by a 1.5 liter inline 4 gasoline engine. This is a mild hybrid, so it can turn off the engine and still keep the air conditioning cool and whatnot.
May mga safety features din po siya. 6 airbags, which is a curtains meron, passenger.
Okay.
Dyan. And yung adaptive cruise control po. Blind spot monitor din meron na rin siya. And hill hold control. So once na nasa mataas na lugar tayo, hindi tayo basta-basta mag-a-atras.
Steering is alright. It's not so light that you don't feel anything. It's a bit on the firmer side, I would have to say. So far, the ride is smooth. Road noise, there's a bit going inside the cabin, but for a car in this size and in this segment, I think that's pretty acceptable. The driver sees an analog gauge with your trip computer in the middle, power meter over there. You can see your engine, your electric motor, and your battery gauge. The driver gets a 3-spoke design steering wheel with your volume controls and radio controls on the left, your info for the trip computer. On the right, you have your cruise control, which is also adaptive. You get lane departure warning here, and Bluetooth phone controls here on the left.
So as yung kasi sir, ito yung gumagana pag sa highway yung battery.
Oh yeah, the energy flow. So I can feel the brake region in action when you let off the throttle. The car is putting in the brake region. There you go. You can see a diagram here on the gauge as well. So what that does is it recuperates the energy from the brakes back into the battery, so it can self-charge. As for visibility, I do find the windshield a bit on the small side, but the side windows are large enough to see your surroundings. The side mirrors even are the perfect size for this car. It's not too big and it's not too small. Power delivery is linear. There's no drama whatsoever. Soaks the bumps pretty well. Let's try the manual mode. Let's do a horn test. Departure warning. It's actually a pretty fun to drive car. I'm very surprised with this. As for build quality, there are some hard plastics up top the dash and the door cards, but the armrest, even on the doors, are nicely padded. You also get some nice metallic accents throughout, and this two-tone design with the black and this burgundy-ish color. Considering that it has a 6-speed automatic transmission in a hybrid package, I think that's a very rare option. Off to the left of the steering wheel, you have your controls for the heads-up display. You can adjust the positioning, you can adjust the brightness, and you can also close the heads-up display by holding on this HUD button. And if you want it back up, you can also just hold it. You have a button here, a shortcut for the 360 camera. You can also turn on and off the automatic engine off switch. You can also turn off the lane departure warning and your forward collision warning. Even with your parking sensor button is right here. There's also a headlight adjuster. As for the center console, you get a USB port and a 12-volt power outlet. You get a wireless charging pad right here, 2 cup holders. Again, this bright work here on the dash just elevates the appeal of the interior. Okay, we are in manual mode. Steering is quick. As expected, there's body roll, but it feels controlled. For reverse, the cameras will automatically turn on. And as I mentioned, there's even a parking sensor. I'm still surprised with the steering. There's actually a good amount of feedback to it. It doesn't feel heavily assisted. Okay, to put the car in park, just put it in P, and then turn off the air conditioning. There you go. The heads-up display will also automatically go down. Okay guys, that was a POV test drive of the Suzuki Fronx. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified once I upload a new video. This has been TJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.